Hi students, welcome to the problem solving session on boundary condition. The problem given here is the region y is less than equal to 0 contains a dielectric material with epsilon r1 is equal to 2 and the region y greater than 0 contains a dielectric material for which epsilon r2 is equal to 4. If E1 is equal to minus 3ax plus 5ay plus 7az volt per meter, find E2 and D2 for medium 2. So what they are giving, we have a region like this, right? This is y, this is x, this is z, right? Y is greater than 0 and y is less than 0. This is what y is greater than 0, positive y. This is negative y is less than 0. Y is less than 0 contains with material, dielectric material epsilon r1 is equal to 2. This has material epsilon r2 is equal to 4. Here E1 is minus 3ax plus 5ay plus 7az. We have to find E2 and D2. What is E2 here and D2? Right, this is the question arises. Okay, this is a simple problem like let us see. This is y is equal to 0 region. Why it is this y is greater than 0, this y is less than 0. Right, so that means what? Here the unit vector is perpendicular or going along this direction, the surface ay. This is minus ay direction, right? So this is what, right? This is y is greater than 0 means that is this direction. Y is less than 0 means this direction. So surface area will be normal to that plane. So this is a normal. So normal direction. Surface area normal. So what is the normal component of E1? Normal component of E1 is En1 is equal to E normal 1, y direction. So 5 AY volt per meter, right? So it varies along y is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0, or y greater than 0. So the surface should be XZ plane. Yes or no? If it is XZ plane only, let us assume this is X, this is Z, then only we know if it is coming, this is plus Y direction. Inside the screen, it is minus Y direction. The Y varies, they gave the values for Y is greater than 0 or less than 0, right? Y greater than 0, it may be like this outside the screen. Y less than 0, it may be inside the screen. That's what I have drawn here also. So this is for the, so the plane must be XZ plane, right? XZ plane means what is the tangential component? This is Z component, this is X component. So this is what tangential to the surface. So tangential component will be X and Z. Otherwise, if you find the normal component, remaining should be tangential component. So ET1 must be equal to minus 3ax plus 7az volt per meter. Are you understanding the logic? If it is varying along y direction, it will be like this. So x and z should be tangential to the surface. Y should be normal to the surface. Okay, now we got ET1 and EN1. Right, epsilon R1 they are given, epsilon R1 2, epsilon R2 4. Right, now we know the boundary condition. Boundary condition is ET1, E tangential component 1 is equal to E tangential component 2 for dielectrics. So tangential component we know. So what is the tangential component of first medium? Minus 3ax plus 7ay. That is equal to tangential component of second component also. So both are having the same tangential component. Next we have to find a normal component. dn1, condition is dn1 minus dn2 is equal to rho s for dielectric, but rho s they don't give anything, surface charge density 0. So this implies dn1 is equal to dn2. Fine. So what will happen? So d is equal to epsilon en1, epsilon 1 en1, epsilon 2 en2. So What is our En1? En1 is equal to epsilon 2 divided by epsilon 1. Sorry, what we get is, what we want to is En2, right? So En2 is epsilon 1 divided by epsilon 2 En1. Epsilon 1 we know it is 2 epsilon 2 4 En1 we got it, that is y component phi ay. So this will indicate En2 is equal to 2.5 ay. So we got En2. So En2 is equal to 2.5 ay. So what is total electric field in the medium 2? Et2 plus En2. Et2 is given by minus 3ax. Sorry, this is y, this is z, right? 7az. Okay. 3ay. See, Et2 is x and z component, right? Et1 is a minus 3x plus 7az. So minus 3x plus 7az, right? Plus 7az. En2 2.5 ay. So 2.5 ay. That's what our E2. So this is the epsilon electric field in medium 2. What is D value? I want D2 also. D2 is epsilon 2. D2 is E epsilon. Epsilon 2 they have given. Epsilon 2 is 4 epsilon naught, because epsilon 2 is epsilon naught into epsilon r. So epsilon r they gave 4 D2. So if you do that, what will happen? Minus 12. Sorry, if you multiply with minus 3ax plus 2.5 ay plus 7az, what you get is D2 will be equal to epsilon naught into minus 12ax plus 10ay plus 28az. Unit coulomb per meter square. Flux density. So flux per area. Flux is coulomb. Area is meter square. So that's all about this session. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. Thank you.